I'm going to show you how to create device groups for Zipstream using the Boring Toolbox. So first thing you're going to do, assuming that you're on the dashboard, is you're going to go over to device groups. And then the first thing that you're going to do is create a new folder. We'll just name it something like Zipstream. Done. Okay, and now you can either add cameras manually by adding group members here, or you can go to Auto Group here, and then select Camera Model and Product ID. Instead of Boring Default, you're going to switch this to Zipstream, generate, and then it will come up with this. You can deselect any that aren't applicable. You can just say next, save changes, bada boom, there they are. So your next step is going to be going over to Milestone and doing the next steps over there.